Hi, good afternoon, students. How are you? By the grace of God, I believe you all are fine and safe. Today, we are going to discuss the new topic more on PowerPoint 2007. First, we want to discuss about the numbered list. To select an alternate numbering style or switch to a numbered list, select all of the text in an existing list. Click the drop down arrow next to the numbering command in the paragraph group on the home tab. A menu numbering options will appear. Move mouse over each menu options to display a live preview of the list on the slide. Click the numbering options to select it. The list will change on the slide. That list, what happened, will change the slide. More bulleted or numbered list from text. What is bullet? Bullet is a Bullet command is a black dot or circle or any other mark found before the text. Okay, so now we want to select an existing bullet or numbered list. Click the bullet command or the numbering command depending on the type of your list. அது the type of list depend பண்ணியிருக்கும். Click the command to toggle the future on and off. Toggle means to change. Okay, then proofing slides. To use the spelling check for future, right click the underlined word, a menu will appear. Select the correct spelling of the word from the listed suggestions. Left check the word, it will appear in the document. You can choose the ignore to underline word, add it to a dictionary or go to the spelling dialog box. Then to add a word in the to the dictionary. எப்படி நாம வந்து வேர்டு டிக்ஷனரியில் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறது. ரைட் கிளிக் த அண்டர்லைன் வேர்டு a menu will appear. Then slide views. Three of the four views are visible from the normal default view. First one normal view, slide shorter view, second one, third one slide show view. Understand what are the three views? Normal view, slide shorter view and slide show view. So use the arrow keys, page tab and page down keys, space bar and enter key to move through the slides in the slide show view. Press the escape key to end a slide show. ESC means escape key. Okay, then printing. Before notes page view, the fourth view is notes page view. Then only printer, you may want to print copies of your slides for the people who view your presentations yourself. There are three print options available from the Microsoft Office button menu, that is quick print and print preview. So to print, click the Microsoft Office button. First நாம வந்து printer select பண்ணணும். So that time print will provide, the print dialog box will appear. Select the printer you would like to use if you have more than one printer. Click properties. From here you can make choices about paper size and whether to print double-sided. These options vary from printer to printer. Then enter a print range. Leave the default setting all selected or click slides. The field beside it will become active and you can enter the numbers of the slides you want to print out. How much numbers we want to select there. After that print out will come. Then choose the number of copies to print. Then click OK. To apply word art style, that's very important. So here select the text. Wish to modify, the format tab will appear. Select the format tab. Move your cursor over a word art style in the word art styles group to see the preview to the style on the side. Then to change the full colors of the word art style, how? Select the text you wish to modify. Click the text fill command. The word or styles group that time will appear. So they are over. Select from the following: no fill, more fill colors, picture, gradient, and textures. What is a gradient? The displays of submenu of various gradient options that change how the fill color appears. Then textures, this displays, this is one kind of displays of the submenu textures you can apply to word or to text. ஓகே நம்ம அந்த வேர்ட் ஆர்ட் டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண டெக்ஸ்டர்ஸ். Then to insert a table using a placeholder command, that is very important. Click the insert a table command in the placeholder. Enter the number of the table columns and rows of the dialog box. Click OK. The table will appear in the slide and the dialog and the design and layouts tabs will appear. Then next only tab keys to your keyboard. Then additionally arrow keys can be used to navigate the table. Okay, then to insert a chart, select the insert tab. Click the insert a chart command. Click the drag the scroll bar to view the chart times, or click the label on the left on the dialog box to see the specific chart style. Then click a chart to select it. Click OK. Excel will open. Then usually Excel will appear on one side of the screen while PowerPoint appears on the other side of the screen. Then if you slide layouts as a content placeholder, click the insert chart command to insert a new chart. Okay students, today's class over. God bless you all. Okay, thank you.